It's the first month of the year and I've already taken the L when it comes to the Kobe's on the sneakers app for this sneaker right here. But tomorrow we do have this sneaker that's going to be dropping. And it's an automatic L because this is not going to be dropping in the States. This is going to be a China exclusive. I don't know why Nike make it so hard to get these shoes. They don't make enough quantity and then they decide to make it a China exclusive. But it is what it is. But I've been watching this sneaker and I've been watching the price go up and down. And I think this shoe is going to be affordable after the release date. Here's why.
I'm so glad I was spared like the very last pair when you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there. So you say a little prayer. You don't want to be so vain, but if I...
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Truth and this is KICKnology, and today we're going to be talking about this sneaker that you see on the screen that's going to be officially dropping only in China tomorrow, January 18th. Now, we did get the eggplant colorway of this sneaker. This is going to be the University Red one, and I ain't even gonna lie to you guys. I feel like this is the better version of this sneaker. But before we get up into the discussion today, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button if this is your first time checking out the content or tapping into the channel. I greatly appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button. It helps the channel grow. It helps with the algorithm. I would greatly appreciate that. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I drop any videos. Now, with all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. Now, so as you guys can see, this is pretty much the eggplant colorway, but they switched everything out with the University Red. That gold hits a little bit different on this red colorway, so I feel like the color's more vibrant, so the shoe pops a little bit more. And then the thing that they did differently on this, I feel like they done things to break apart the color. You know what I'm saying? On the eggplant one, on the toe box, it's just all the eggplant color. But on this one, you have hints of gold, as you guys can see on the screen. And like I said, the color blocking on this one is just a lot better. It's a lot more of a vibrant colorway, even though the eggplant reminds me of the eggplant foams, and I feel like that's a classic colorway. This one just hits a little bit different. Now, I think this shoe will be affordable. What I mean by that is, some people were saying that this sneaker was gonna be probably around the $700-800 mark after they drop in China tomorrow. I don't think that's gonna be the case. I've been watching this sneaker for the last 2 weeks, and when I first started watching it, my size is a size 12. When I first started watching this sneaker, the size 12s was right around $700, right? That's the max I've seen. I've seen a couple for like $850, but I don't know what's going on with those, but around $700. But as we've gotten closer to the release, these things that you guys can see on the screen, the last sale was $293 for this thing, right? And then the overall sale is $257. That is the collective overall for all the sizes. But as you guys can see, for my size 12, they're asking $376 for them, which is a huge drop in what they were. And tomorrow, after they release, it's going to be more pairs available. So I think that this shoe will hover right around $320 shipped. That's what I think. Now, the reason why I say that also is because a lot of people that have gotten their shoes, the eggplant colorway and stuff like that, they are complaining about the snake on the side. They don't like the fact that it's stitched on there. It's kind of like an embroidered patch or whatever, and then the little tongue from the snake is actually stitched on there. A lot of people don't like that. I feel like that's dope. I feel like it's unique. Some people is complaining about the Nike swoosh and the snake being off. I don't know, but the eggplant colorway is actually going for right at retail pretty much, and depending on the size, it's like a size 10 and lower. They're still sitting on shoe palettes and places like that. So, and you might be able to walk into some stores and actually get that sneaker. I don't think that's going to be the case for this red one. I don't think in China they're going to be readily available like that. But I do feel like that a lot of people are going to look at this and say, you know what? I don't like the little snake on the side. Don't like the, I understand the vibes, Year of the Mamba, you know, Dragon, Chinese New Year's, all that stuff. I understand what Nike was trying to do. But I think people feel like they poorly executed this sneaker, and a lot of people are not going to be feeling that. But y'all comment down below and let me know. Is this going to be a sneaker that's going to be paying a resale for? And if you are in China, is this going to be a sneaker that you're going to go after? And if so, please comment and let me know if this is an easy cop or a pickup for you guys. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got fat, we got